Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Uba Vivek CM o Superintendent of Police ka East Khasi Hills, uloong bahaga kat sautri unailur araja apusan ki pulit kilalit banwat ya Heprit insapira haga tu kayeng kabadang chna. Henry ki klem lap ya kamet namar balatap bun da usiap simen haringkat ka jengdon jong ka Habakren jikila patay kubor menta kasi kakat nyotrik unailur araja apusan, halor ka jingklat no I Heprit insapira uba Vivek uloong baka haga tu kayeng kabadang te kadap Kumba Phut Eiei bat kumta ki klemshum lalap ya kamet I insapira. Henry haga singi kababud kata haga katsantrik unay luar araja apusan ka na katu ka Jaka kalarangat bat lasa sa tang Kumba Phut Eiei bat kumta lala banyo I ya kamet I Heprit insapira da unong tray mystery ubetre haga te kayeng.
How high so where the boy slept along with the girl?
See with that hollow there will be what 2 feet, 3 feet, 1.5 feet to 2 feet. If full of water, then I think over 2 feet.
But looking at that,
You had gone there was no. On the day it was raining, it was almost 2 feet. It had covered from the floor right to the retaining wall. The next day the water had gone down, but on that day that place had been full. See about this boy, and we don't have any police case on this boy. He's just 13 years old. But nonetheless, SIT will probe further to find out the innocence of this boy. Whether number one is finding a motive, if there is any motive, or whether it's just house.
so just for